Hey, Justin Klosky from the O.C.D experience, and I want to talk to you about how to organize your medicine cabinet a little more efficiently, especially when it comes to your vitamins. As you can see here, most of the stuff in this medicine cabinet doesn't have a rhyme or reason for where it is, and all the vitamins are taking up so much space because they're different size bottles and shapes and colors. It's also distracting me, and it's pulling a lot of energy away from me. So what I want to do is I want to get uniform bottles for all the vitamins, label them, reorganize this a little bit to make it more efficient for my day. We'll show you what it's going to look like. It took only a couple days for the new organized bottles to arrive, but here's our new medicine cabinet. Skincare routine, deodorant, vitamins I only take on an every day basis, and everything in the particular category accessible. The vitamin bottles aren't taking up tons of space now. Everything's uniform. You know when you're running low so you can reorder. This is a very simple way to organize your medicine cabinet.